Hi there! So you're considering getting a job in crypto? It's a good idea if you look at the crypto industry. The number of blockchain-related jobs in recent years has been known to reach over 70% increase year to year. And today, you'll see what options you have, what qualifications are required, and how to practically go about getting a job in crypto. But first, let's get something out of the way. Diving into the crypto blockchain industry requires at least a basic grasp of its fundamentals. So before you start sending out resumes, you should make sure you're familiar with simple concepts like setting up a wallet, making crypto transactions, and have a basic understanding of DeFi or decentralized finance. Now let's take a look at what types of organizations may offer crypto jobs, starting with the backbone of cryptocurrency finance. Exchanges. There are two types of exchanges, centralized and decentralized. Exchanges play a pivotal role in the crypto ecosystem, serving as the primary platforms for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Binance operate under a traditional structure, offering a user-friendly interface and a robust security measure. On the other hand, decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, operate without a central authority, allowing users to trade directly from their wallets through smart contracts. Whether you're drawn to the established reliability of centralized exchanges or the decentralized ethos of DEXs, there are many opportunities for roles, ranging from customer support, marketing, to software development and security. Now let's look at crypto companies. From blockchain startups to established players in the industry, crypto companies are at the forefront of innovation, driving the adoption of digital currencies and blockchain technology. These companies are responsible for developing cutting-edge solutions, launching new cryptocurrencies, and building decentralized applications that empower users across the globe. Whether it's Ethereum, Solana, or a myriad of other projects, crypto companies are always on the lookout for top talent to join their ranks. Roles span across software development, product management, business development, and more, offering diverse opportunities for individuals passionate about shaping the future of finance and technology. Another opportunity you have are crypto wallet providers. These are companies that specialize in developing cryptocurrency wallets, which are essential tools for storing and managing digital assets. Wallet providers like Ledger and Trezor often have openings for software engineers, product managers, and security experts. Another opportunity you have are crypto consultancies. These are consultancy firms that offer services related to blockchain and cryptocurrency, such as advising businesses on blockchain adoption, conducting audits for smart contracts, and providing regulatory compliance assistance. Deloitte and PwC are examples of companies with dedicated blockchain consulting divisions. Then there are crypto media outlets. These are publications and media companies that cover news, analysis, and commentary on the crypto industry. These outlets often have openings for journalists, editors, video producers, and content creators. And examples include CoinDesk, Decrypt, or The Block. If you're really into crypto investment funds are something for you. These are venture capital firms or hedge funds and investment groups that focus on investing in cryptocurrency and blockchain projects. These firms often hire analysts, traders, and investment managers with expertise in the crypto market. Now that you've got a handle on the various types of organizations in the crypto world, let's delve into the specific job roles available and what you can expect in terms of salaries. So first up, let's talk developers. Crypto platforms are hungry for developers of all stripes. Web developers, software developers, front-end, back-end, full stack, you name it. And here's the kicker, you don't actually need a degree to land a developer gig in the crypto realm. It's more about having the necessary skills for the job. Salaries for developer roles vary depending on factors like experience, qualifications, and the company you're with. On average, software engineers rake in about $100,000 a year, while UA or UX developers can earn between $55 to $100K annually. Next, we have engineers. If you're equipped with engineering qualifications or experience, you're in luck. Crypto platforms worldwide are on the hunt for blockchain engineers who can design, develop, and implement blockchain networks, as well as software engineers to craft the code for decentralized applications, or dApps. While a degree in computer science or engineering is often prepared, it's not always a strict requirement. Glassdoor reports that blockchain and software engineers typically pull in over $110,000 a year. Moving on to marketing. The crypto space is buzzing with marketing opportunities, from copywriting and branding to SEO and PR coordination. While salaries vary depending on the role and your track record of success, marketing managers can earn nearly $150,000 a year, according to US News. There's also opportunities for design and video specialists. Visual storytelling is crucial in simplifying the complexities of blockchain and crypto. Whether you're an artist or designer, illustrator, videographer, or video editor, there's a demand for your creative touch in the crypto world. And rest assured, you'll likely see a significant bump in your earnings compared to your current job. Journalism and writing are also in high demand. Crypto journalists and writers play a vital role in researching, writing, and sharing crypto-related news and educational content. Salaries for journalists and technical writers range from $45,000 to $170,000 a year, depending on your expertise and the type of publication. Business management and development roles are aplenty in the crypto space, ranging from graduate internships to CFO and CEO positions. Requirements vary depending on the role, with senior management roles typically requiring advanced degrees and extensive industry experience. Salaries in this field vary based on job requirements and the company you're applying to, but they're high. And let's not forget about investing. If you have a knack for finance, economics, business, partnering with a venture capital firm specializing in crypto could be your ticket to success. Venture capitalists seek out promising crypto companies to invest in, offering guidance and funding in exchange for a stake in the company. So, where do you actually start looking for a job in the crypto industry? Well, we actually have a whole video on just that, breaking down the best online sites offering crypto positions, from high-flying, lucrative senior positions to part-time gigs, perfect for beginners. Be sure to check it out here, or click the link below in the description. If you're interested in working with a specific company or organization, be sure to check their official website. There's often a Work with Us or Current Job Openings tab with all the most important updates. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Share it with others if you did, and let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. See you next time!